Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we built an easel from scratch. So before we get into today's video, I really want to thank you guys on 96 subscribers, at least at the time of me filming this. Thank you so much for 96 subscribers. I think when we hit 100, I'm going to do a special little episode. I don't really know of what, but I'm kind of excited. So if you guys stick with me, be sure to subscribe, and I hope you'll be here for 100 subscribers. Let's get on to today's video.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we're building. As you can see, there's the use of power tools in which I'm not involved in because I'm clumsy and will hurt myself. Yes, I would hurt myself. I'm an idiot. So what we're doing here is we're making a basic easel. We did this by looking up the dimensions and at a picture of a regular easel, of course, and kind of just went off of that. This isn't really going to be as informational probably as one would hope. I'm sorry. We honestly didn't use like a plan or anything. We kind of just went for it based off a picture, and it took about 4 hours total to make this because there was a lot of contemplation and discussing of how things should go and how they work. Also, due to the H frame style of the easel, it does have moving parts, so we had to figure out how those would work by making it as simplified as possible. So the only measurement that we used was for the base, which was 22 by 24 inches. We got this off of the picture that we were using a reference for. Everything else we just kind of guessed off of and based off of my height. So obviously you can make this as customizable as you want. And now would be the time that I would like to stop and say thank you to my stepdad for taking the time out of his day, basically to stay up all night and then stay up all day helping me build this because it was my day off. And yeah, so I was very thankful for that because without him, obviously this would not have been successful at all whatsoever. Who knows, I probably would have had one less finger. As you can see, there's a lot of drilling going on. Most of the time, we were pre-drilling holes to ensure that the wood wouldn't split and get ruined. And anywhere applicable, we put wood glue for extra safety measures. Here, we were drilling out the little hole where we'll have a rotating moment thing where those legs will be able to kind of be taken apart and fold into each other. Kind of confusing. It'll make sense when you see it all together though. So basically at this time we had the whole structure done. Here you can see how everything is and it's sturdy and together. Now is to make the sliding piece. So first we had to make the channel, and then we had to cut this piece smaller in order for it to properly slide. Absolutely do not cut like this at home. Don't do that. That's stupid. That was bad. And we're adding this piece on, holding it down, marking the screws, and not pre-drilling the first one because we're horrible and just needed those pieces to stick together. At this point in the day, our measurements were getting really crazy because we were getting every single one on the dot at the exact mark or exact half mark throughout the entire day. And the only thing that we measured was the base. Everything else, the only time we were measuring was to double check and make sure something was centered or right. So yeah.
Oh my god.
I am sick of this. Actually, I'm not. This is actually pretty cool, like awesome. Who needs measuring tape when you can just eyeball it and get it exactly right every single time?
This shows how good we are as carpenters.
Right. Hey, engineering is paying off!
Now, after attaching the sliding channel, we had to figure out how exactly the top part was going to work for the sliding piece. Now, I say this because on a regular one, it adjusts and you twist knobs and it holds in place. But on mine that is done at home, it is not going to be like that, obviously. So what we did was we cut the sliding piece a little shorter and made a makeshift knob. Basically, it would hold the top of a canvas when we have it on. Here we're trying to figure that out with a canvas and figuring out where exactly we need to have a piece to hold in the siding piece. And once we figured it out, it was go time. And honestly, I don't think it could have worked out any better, just due to the fact that it took forever to figure out what to even do to begin with. So it was very rewarding for it to work out and be basically perfect. Also, while we were analyzing this, we noticed that the side piece was crooked and it was driving us both crazy, so we fixed it so it was exactly centered. So we fixed it, and after that it was perfectly even. Like, it could not have been more even, honestly. I was very happy with that. Sometimes it's better to go back and fix your mistakes. So here we're adding the piece that will hold the channel, basically, and hold in the siding piece, so when it is shorter or longer, it won't just fall out. Here is where we're making the top piece, and Pearl is just being a model. On this part, we had to cut notches so it would be able to still slide, and we didn't show that, but I'll be able to show it in a better shot later on. And this is the final product. Honestly, it could not have been better. It looks really good. I'm gonna stain it. If I don't post this before that, I will include a clip, but I'm very satisfied with how it came out.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I once again want to thank you guys for watching and sticking with me. It really does mean a lot to me. I really appreciate when you guys watch my videos, because it really makes me want to make them more often and whatnot, and it makes me feel a little bit more motivated. I know I've said this in the past, but I'm really serious. I really wish I could say thank you to each one of you guys. If you try to make this easel, I guess tag me or something. I have an Instagram, follow me on there, or if you'd like to join my Facebook page, be sure to go over there and give it a like. I do update like that page kind of whenever I upload a video or post about something. It's also a good place for you guys to kind of reach out and give suggestions if you have them and whatnot, or you can always leave those in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!